The big C, resistance to antibiotics, the rise of HIV cases and other hard-to-pronounce new diseases. Is the world getting sicker by the moment? Maybe, but the question is why. Despite all technological advances, modern medicine, and state-of-the-art hospital equipment, why does it seem that millennials have much bigger baggage in terms of their health? Although it is a fact that man's ancestors have also battled with different diseases and epidemics, they did not have the advantage this modern day is able to provide. What does it mean to be healthy nowadays? Good health can be defined not only as the absence of disease, but a state of having a sense of balance emotionally, physically, and mentally. Balance seems to be the thing nowadays as it is becoming such a rare thing to behold. Stress, on the other hand, being one of the most apparent manifestations of imbalance is so common it has become a household name. The price of a disease nowadays is excruciating. It means diminishing bank accounts, time away from loved ones, grief, sadness, and sometimes, even death. Taking control of one's life and taking the necessary precaution is still the best option. This is the point where the science of Ayurveda comes into play. Because we cannot scrub our inner body, we need a few skills to help cleanse our tissues, organs, and mind. This is the art of Ayurveda. Sebastian Pohl, discovering the true you with Ayurveda. Basic concepts of Ayurveda. Every human being is unique. Ayurveda states that every individual is unique based on their basic constitution or prakriti, which corresponds to their body type. All these are already predetermined when one is born. The basic constitution, in turn, is governed by the three primary tri-doshas or forces known as Vata, Pitta and Kapha, which are created by the combinations of the five basic elements of ether, air, fire, water and earth respectively as follows. Vata dosha is made up of ether and air element, Pitta dosha is made up of fire and water element, Kapha dosha is made up of water and earth element. We are all energy beings. Ayurveda believes that all actions and their respective reactions are governed by the energy in this universe. And human beings and other living and non-living beings are also made out of this universal source of energy and are constantly affected by it. Imbalance in the doshas and gunas is the root of all illnesses. Ayurveda believes that an imbalance in the tri-doshas or the three individual guardian forces of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha are the root cause of all problems and diseases. Moreover, apart from the balance in tri-doshas, there should be harmony or balance between the energies of the universe triguna and tri-doshas. Any imbalance in the flow of energy between those energies would manifest as a disease or discomfort in the concerned individual. Ayurveda works to eliminate the root of the disease rather than its symptoms. Western medical science tries its best to cure the symptoms by using surgical procedures and drugs, which has a lot of side effects. On the other hand, Ayurveda strives to diagnose and cure the root of the problem which manifests as the disease, rather than just its symptoms. We are what we eat and think. Prakriti or nature of food. In Ayurveda, food can be classified into two categories, i.e. heavy and light, according to the basic nature of the food, such as whether it is easy to digest or not. For example, these basic natures of food items should be considered before consuming them to ensure a healthy constitution. Karana or processing of food. The way the food is cooked can have a great impact its quality and nature. Ayurveda states that as some food items such as fruits and salads should be consumed raw for maximum dietary benefits. Samyoga or combination. Most of us are not aware of this fact that some combination of food can be really harmful for us and cause problems. For example, mixing sour fruits and milk or curd could cause indigestion or toxins known as Ama in Ayurveda, which can be very harmful for our bodies. These kinds of unhealthy food combinations should be avoided at all costs. Do you want to improve your health? Then check out our #1 immune boosting recommendation in the description below. Don't forget to give a like, click subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. See you in the next video.